Traders Anthony here. I'm just looking at the euro dollar on the 4H. What I'm going to do is just going to go out quickly to the monthly, and I'm going to give you my take on this. See this move here on the monthly. This is a strong bullish market on the higher time frame. Strong rally, pullback, rally, pullback, rally. Now we're just looking at the pullback down into possibly these highs. So I'm looking for an opportunity to get involved here. So we've got this bullish monthly, weekly, bullish. Big rally, retrace, big rally, retrace, rally, now the retrace. So it's retracing into, we've got these highs here, down in here. So this is what I've been marking up. I've marked up the monthly are the white dotted lines. And I'm just taking previous highs and lows. In the weekly, for example, here, look, this orange is a weekly. There's a weekly high right there. There's another weekly high here. And it's also a monthly level. So big level here. So I'm interested in this level, given that this is a weekly and monthly support zone. So bullish, we've got this retrace on the weekly. So let's have a look at this on the daily quickly. And then I'll go down to the 4 hour. On the daily, we've got, consider this bullish retrace. Okay, we've got this bullish rally here, then retrace, bullish move here, and a retrace. So I'm looking at an opportunity in here. If you're into the fibs, we could grab a Fibonacci. I'll go from this low to the high. That makes sense. See, down into 61.8. That's my level. Have a look at this. Fib retrace, low to high. Didn't even quite make it down that far, 61.8. It's this yellow zone in the fib. That's my level. I guess if you did that well, yeah, where do you want to pull it from? Yeah, this is valid. All right, low to high, 61.8. Again, low to high from here, 61.8. So let's just leave that fib on there and go down to the 4 hour time frame. And I'll give you my take on this. But I'm going to show you something else. But before we go there, all right. I'm interested in this level here. Now, why? Because we've got monthly, weekly, and I think there's a daily through here as well. There's a daily level. This is a previous daily low here. And we've got this green candle with nothing left and right of it. So we've got this bullish imbalance here on the 4 hour time frame. So I've marked this up. I'm just taking the candle high on the left, the candle low on the right, pulled it through, got this purple zone here. And I'm looking for an opportunity to get long down in this level, right? So we've got this monthly, a weekly, the 61.8 fib zone. We've got resting liquidity under here. See this little range? Okay, so stop loss is sitting under here. That's our liquidity. It's tapping into it as I'm doing the video. Had a bit of a push, but I'm thinking this area here would be okay for a buy opportunity. Right. So that's what I'm looking at the moment. 4 hour trending down. There'll be a counter trend on the 4 hour, but I'm going off the daily and the weekly mainly. So I'll just take that out. So yep, this is my buy zone. So with that in mind, I was going to look at the fib, 61.8, just around this yellow zone. So what else can I say? We've traveled down into this balance area. We've got this area down here as well. If this trades down in here, we're going to run into this weekly and monthly, and that would definitely give an opportunity, okay, to trade back up to this level, possibly. But what I'm considering is, or what I'm thinking about is, consider the stock markets. The stock markets have been bullish. We've had a correction, and they're all trading around support levels at the moment, as is the euro dollar. If the stock markets pick up, we could expect the euro dollar to follow. So this is giving me a reason to think that this could be an opportunity. So just be careful. It's Friday, and you'll find smart money will do crazy stuff Fridays and Mondays. So I wouldn't be surprised that this gets pushed down into these levels. And how far they can go with that, well, don't underestimate what they do. But I think more than anything, I'm going to be watching this today. If it travels down into here, I would probably buy and then, look for a day trade opportunity, right? If it doesn't trade down in here, I'll let it go. But I'm thinking we could see this continue on, possibly. Now, if this doesn't travel down in here, we don't see the opportunity, I will let it go. And then we'll just see what happens on Monday, and then possibly Tuesday could be the thing. Don't want to make this complicated, but I guess bottom line is I'm looking for an opportunity around here, and if it shapes up, I'll take it, given that it's a big support level. But guys, still on the euro dollar, what I've done is I've jumped into a 5-minute chart, and I want to show you this. This is an easy way you can trade. There's only one chart. No need to look at any other charts, no other time frames. Got everything we need here. Okay, this was an opportunity to sell so far. This is doing quite nicely. This was an opportunity to sell, another opportunity to sell. What we're looking for is these dots in a bearish market, insofar as this indicator down here gives us higher time frame momentum, and at the moment we've got 3 out of 4 red. So what we do is we look for these red dots, and these are our opportunities. If the bars below are red, we go with these red dots. So far 3 out of 3. So we'll just count them. Pretty good win rate. We get about a 90% win rate with this, probably even higher. Let's just go back. All right, this is giving us 2 bars red and 2 bars green. So we generally don't take any while this is 50% either way. All right, we want the bias to be leaning in our favor. So actually, if we go down to a 3-minute chart, just have a look at this bar here, this bar, and then we've got the bars underneath. If we go back on the 3-minute chart, is the opportunity. See how we've got a 50% red and green showing on this multi-time frame bar down here. The fact that this is on the chart, this is a 4-hour daily momentum, strong bearish momentum. It kicked off back here. That's your trade. All right, so we've got 2 and 2, red and green. However, we have this. So that on the next candle or the pullback, that's your opportunity. It's as simple as that, guys. And look at this trade. This is a 3-minute chart. So again, you want to be taking these red dots. They're going to be a little bit faster than the 5-minute, but that's okay. All right, that was a trade. Go back. I mean, how many have we got here? 3 or 4. But I think you'll find that this is going to give you a very high win rate. And the trick to this is to be consistent with your position size. Now, these were the ones we were going to stay out of. See how we've got 2 bars red and 2 green? We don't touch them. We leave them alone. Even this here, we don't touch it. All right, that's the opportunity. So stick to the rules. I mean, how far back do you want me to go? By the way, jump on board, guys. You can gain access to the indicators. Link is below. Now this one, all right, so there's one that's not so crash hot. But the thing with this is you're going to be looking to, it's still profitable, and I'll tell you why. When you enter this trade, you're going in roughly around the same level as the dot, give or take. Stop loss, see above these, our cloud here, all right? Go for broke with your risk reward. But what you're looking for is a 1-to-1 risk reward, and you're going to take 70% of your position off at 1-to-1. All right, so that's consistent. If you're trading, for example, let's just say you're trading 1% of your account on every one of these trades. Maximum exposure, 2 trades. Okay, don't blow your account. All right, let's just say you trade 1%. Then this is going to be consistent. So if this is worth, 1% is worth, I don't know, $100. Well, a 1-to-1 risk reward, your loss, your profit, your risk is going to be the same as, up here, for example, your entry and your stop loss is way up here. This range will be the same risk. It's 1%. That could be 1%. All right, so in dollar value, that's still $100. Your lot size will change, but the risk is consistent. This is the key to success, guys. Keep your risk in check and keep it consistent. I've done a couple of videos. If you go through my YouTube channel, look for the videos on risk management, and I explain it. Anyway, going back, I mean, how far back do you want to go? Now, these are green down in here, so we're looking for green opportunities. This is a 3-minute chart, and you're going to be placing your stop losses. Well, I mean, see, you want to look for these higher time frame levels. We've got a daily level here, so that would be a stop loss under there. Go under these dots. Okay, we're looking for green opportunities. And back here, we've got a conflict of red and green, so we don't take it. We just leave that alone. We want the bars on the bottom and the bars on top to complement each other. All right, so over here, we've got majority green. We can take that. Look at that. Down the bottom, green bars. So if we stick to the rules, we're going to do okay. Okay, down the bottom, we got strong green, so there's your trade. A weekly, trades right to it. So that's one way you can trade. It's very simple. Stick to the rules, and you should do okay. Anyway, I'll wrap this up and invite you to jump on board, guys. This could be a sell opportunity here. What we're doing is we're trading into the London Open. Right, this blue zone shows us this time between an hour prior to the London Open. London market kicks off at 3 a.m. New York time. So we've got London market open. We're trading into the London Open here, and what we've got, I think I'm interested in possibly selling at this point because I want to get involved further down with a buy. So I'm looking for this trade short. We want to mark up the London Open through to the Asia close, Asian session close, Tokyo. 5 a.m. New York. I got my chart set to New York time, UTC-4 New York. Watch this through here and see if this sets up. So this is the London Open, so just watch it through to the Asia close. What we want to see is, let's go to a 3-minute chart, see how it's been grinding up here, and then we see this move here with a fair bit of momentum. I'm interested in that, and the kind of thing that I'll be looking for will be hopefully another something like that. And then this trades back up. Possibly we see a lower high, and then we see a break of structure. If it shapes up, well and good. If not, we don't touch it. But this is the kind of thing I'm looking for here. I want to see this trade back down with a vengeance, similar to this move here. Drops and wait for the trend to set up on the lower time frame through this range or this time zone. Right, London Open, trades down, trades up. I want to see it rotate, so we see a rotation and possibly another rotation here. If this trades back up into here, we get a lower high, and then we see it roll over and lower highs, lower lows setting up, then that's your opportunity to go in short. If this happens to push through here and rally on up, then this is no go. We leave it alone. The key with this is we want to see pretty much this here. I want to see another move down here, and then this rotation shaping up through this zone into the Asia close, and this trend kicking off here, lower lows, lower highs, right, on the 3-minute time frame. So that's going to be what gets me involved here. Keeping it simple, trade those. Okay guys, so that's my take on the euro dollar. I'm hoping that this will roll over here and give us an opportunity to buy, down these lower levels here, as I mentioned in the first half of the video. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Oh, by the way, guys, smash the likes, comment. Helps the YouTube algorithm and helps my channel. And subscribe. Jump on board. Click the links below. Find out about the Pepperstone $5,000 opportunity. They'll pay up to $5,000 into your account. All the information is in the link below. My members are already being paid by Pepperstone, so definitely check it out. With that, have a great day. See you in the next one.